Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to open Hsbc student account in UK in 2025. Let's dig deeper. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. First, check if you're eligible. You must be 18 or older, studying full-time in the UK, and if you're an international student, hold a valid student visa. Next, get your documents ready. You'll need a valid passport or ID, a university letter or student ID, as proof of your student status, proof of your UK address, and your student visa if required. Once you have everything, head over to the Hsbc UK website or open their app. Fill out the application form and upload your documents. After that, Hsbc may ask you to verify your identity. This could be done through a video call or by visiting a branch, depending on your situation. Now just wait for approval. This process usually takes around 5 to 7 days. Once approved, your debit card will be sent to your address and should arrive in 5 to 7 working days. Finally, activate your account using the Hsbc app or online banking, so you can start managing your money right away. And that's it. Your Hsbc student account is ready.